Hello people, today I'm gonna unbox the core motor wheels that I ordered for this baby. Okay, and this is how it's gonna start. So if you can bring the camera here for 1 second, just bring the camera here, put it on top. That's how it comes. It comes with a paper of instructions. It comes with a standard sprocket, which is this. I ordered a standard sprocket for a 525 chain. I don't want to change anything. This is a steel sprocket that comes. It's a lightweight. It comes with the thing. It comes with the packet. These are the two things that come. And now, put it back there. That's fine. This is how it comes. These are the two things that come in there. And then, when I take the first one out, first of all, it is light. Look at this. I can hold it in with one finger. One finger. It comes with, when I open the thing, I got it with the ceramic wrap. Oh, sorry. What am I saying? Ceramic bearings. So it comes with ceramic bearings. It comes with the wheel sensors. You have to take them out to put the rotors in, and then you put these back on. I think that's what they're supposed to do. I don't know. I'm going to figure it out as I go along. But this is the front wheel. Then I'm going to put this aside for 1 second. And then you take another one out, a big thing, and then comes the real wheel. It's supposed to come with all the spacers in them. And you see them tied on. You got to take the zip tie out. Come with the bullets. And I got the 90-degree valve stem. So that's that. I got it in black because I wanted to keep it black. There's already too much blue going on in there. So that's how it comes. It's pretty light, I have to say. Now the problem that I have, which hopefully other people won't have, is that this baby, I got it in cast wheels. So when you get it in cast wheels, what the mistake you've made is the forged wheels, the rotors are set up in a different way. I don't know what that means, but that's what I've been told. And so if you have cast wheels on your bike, you have to get a separate set of rotors to install on the thing, on the front and the rear. So I got rotors. I got Brembo rotors that I will be putting on. They're beautiful to look at. Brand new Brembo rotors. Beautiful to look at. And then, well, I've been told not only I need front rotors, I need rear rotors too. So I got rear rotors too. Rotor, I mean not rotors, rotor. That's a rear rotor. I got it from the dealership that comes with the BMW on the forged wheels. So I got the same rotors. And I got some titanium alloy bolts that I will also be putting on the rotors. So that's my setup. It comes with very nicely packaged. Also, let me show you what it comes with in a bag. This is what it comes in the bag. Well, it comes with the, I guess, a sticker. two stickers. Stop, read this and all that stuff. Then tells you about the instructions. One page. It's a lot of instructions. One page. Then there's other one, pre and post this, and then there is a diagram that I also saw that they have it right here, how to put it on. I'll be studying all that. This also, and then there is one more. I mean, it comes with a lot of instructions, enough instructions, not a lot of instructions, but enough instructions for you put it together. And that's how core motor wheels come from the factory. It is very light. I am actually looking forward to it. I don't think this wheel and the carbon wheels are very much different in weight. They look very light. I have lifted a carbon wheel also, and the front and the rear. Rear might be feeling a little heavier, but you put rotors on and all that stuff. But I wanted these. I did not wanted carbon. Carbon is too much headache, I've heard. Only I've heard. But now I'm ready. And this will be put together and put it in here after, I don't know, maybe it will take a couple of days to put it together or whenever I find time. But I'll do it myself, which doesn't seem that difficult. Once it's done, we got to mount the tire, and that's how the first track day is going to start with the core moto aluminum wheels.